It sounded so just like a whack.
Especially on the concrete,
It did not sound good.
Oh.
Welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. So we used 200 straws, dropped an iPhone 10 from 400 feet onto grass and dirt, and it was too easy.
Wow, it looks brand new.
I think we really gotta drop onto concrete to make this more interesting.
Yeah.
So we decided instead to do 100 straws only, 400 feet onto concrete. This should be a lot riskier for this iPhone 10. Do you think the iPhone 10 will survive?
I shouldn't make a guess because I'm always wrong. Every time.
You still owe me $1, dude.
I do owe you $1.
Where's my dollar?
I'm gonna say that it's not going to survive so that it does survive, but it's not going to survive.
In that case, I'm gonna guess that it survives.
I think it will survive. Okay, now we just, we rubber band it. Yeah, that looks exceptionally good. Now we need to do maybe like somewhere around the edge here. Rubber bandify this Quesarino. We need to get some top and bottom, defense. Yep, that looks pretty good. All the way to the other side. Nice. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah,
I think
pretty good.
I think this is pretty solid. What do you guys think? Will this survive a 400-foot drop onto concrete? Post in the top right. Here we go. It's gonna be freaking epic. Okay, so the straws are in. We're ready to fly.
It's getting a little sketchier now looking at it with the cement and the straws and this big old drone.
You getting nervous?
Dive and dodge.
Woo! All right, 400. Here we go.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Here it comes.
Oh.
Oh, snap.
Oh! That sounded vicious.
That sounded so bad.
Oh no.
Okay, so let's check this out. What do we hit a leaf? Is that a
Way
leaf
down?
falling?
Oh, it is. The leaf's falling.
Nicked the leaf on the way down. I love it. And then
It
we get a
disappears behind the
And
curve.
look, that's a magic trick.
It's gone. Oh my gosh. And then it bounces.
Like 4 feet?
It's crazy how high it goes up, though. That is actually pretty cool.
So yeah, straws normally I wouldn't think would be very bouncy, but apparently from 400 feet they got a little bounce to them.
Just a
Well,
little.
they're also compressed, right? So like they have, they're tightened down so that they probably have a little more recoil than if they were just on their own.
Fantastic. All right, let's go check it out and see if that iPhone 10 survived. Oh my goodness.
Moment of truth.
Is it promising?
I don't know.
It looks good.
It looks pretty good, but I see a phone sticking out just a little.
No.
Oh, some of the rubber bands are broke.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it definitely is scratched.
Oh. But is it working?
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's find out. We're pulling it out.
Oh, it
It
looks.
looks.
Oh.
It's still on.
It's good.
Oh, buddy.
Does it have a little line in it in the screen, or is
Oh,
it?
it's cracked, or it's a scratch really bad right here. It must have hit here and then bounced down over to here. Holy crap.
I am impressed, though, for having made actual impact with the ground. It is in incredibly good condition.
Yeah, it is.
Jeez. 100 fully extended straws. Perfectly fine iPhone 10. Who was right? Let me know in the comments down below. Sawsome awesomeness.
Sawsons.
You like making up words.
Sawsome nominous.
You have to create them before they exist, right?
It's true, and then they catch on, and then they become a thing in reality. Sawsome awesomeness. See you in the dictionary soon.
Sawesomeness.
Feel sorry for future generations.
No, I do not. It's gonna be amazing. Cannot get around the sawsome awesomeness of this video either. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Chad, Darren, and Brandon out. Sawsome awesomeness.
Flip it. There we go. I called it. I called it.